In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve expenses in Expensify. Approving expenses efficiently is crucial for maintaining smooth financial operations and ensuring that all transactions are accounted for properly. Whether you're processing these for your team or checking your own expenses, this guide will walk you through each step with ease. Let's start from your Expensify dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your control center where you can access all of your reports and finances. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you aren't already. From the dashboard, navigate to the Reports section. You can find the Reports tab prominently displayed, making it easy to find your way around. Once you're in the Reports section, look for the submenu that says Reports Again. Yes, it might seem a bit redundant, but this is where you'll drill down further into the expense reports you need to approve. The interface is designed to help you filter through various categories, and here you'll specifically be looking at the expense details. Now that you're set up in the Reports submenu, click on Expense. This allows you to view all the expense entries that are waiting for your approval. In this view, you can see the breakdown of all the expenditures, which is pivotal for identifying any discrepancies or validating the expenses listed. You'll then want to select the specific expense entry you intend to approve. The list is typically sorted by date, but you can customize it based on what suits your needs best. Make sure to review the details of each expense before moving forward. It's important to ensure that everything is accurate and that all required documentation is attached. Consider this your last chance to correct any errors prior to approval. Finally, once you're satisfied with the selection, head over to the far right side of the screen where you'll see the Approve button. Clicking this will mark the expense as approved, moving it through the system so that the appropriate financial actions can be taken. A confirmation will typically appear to let you know that the approval has been successful. And there you have it. You've now learned how to approve expenses using Expensify. Taking a careful and methodical approach ensures all transactions are legitimate and properly documented, minimizing errors and streamlining your expense management. Remember that practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to review this process until you're completely comfortable with it. Thanks for watching, and happy approving.